Today I'm going to show you some really cool gardening life hacks, perfect for the summer. If you've got lots and lots of pot plants and you're finding you're having to water them regularly, it's probably easier to use the hose pipe rather than constantly filling up the watering can. The problem is, if you set the pressure too low, it takes forever. And if it's too high, you're in danger of blasting the soil out of the pots, or damaging the plants. So what you can do is put your hose directly into the watering can, so it's constantly filling it up. Now you can walk around all your plants and water them in a nice controlled manner. You don't need to go back to the tap to fill up your watering can. It's neater, quick and controlled. And you'll also be saving water. For other plants that you might not want to go around watering daily, you can fill up a glass bottle, turn it upside down, and push it straight into the soil alongside of the plant. This will slowly soak into the soil and water the plant over a number of days. You may have seen my recent video where I showed you how to make your own weed killer out of natural ingredients. I used white vinegar and table salt in this spray bottle. I used it to spray unwanted weeds around the garden, and after a few days the weeds had all died. And they still haven't started growing back. If you've got a large amount of garden fence that needs staining, you'll probably find it a time-consuming and laborious task. It takes a lot of brushing, and you really have to work it into the corners and in between the joints. To speed things up, you can use your weed sprayer. Make sure it's completely cleaned out, then tip in a few litres of the wood stain. Dilute it down with a bit of water. Then you're ready to put the plunger back in. Give it a shake and a pump. And it's ready to use. Pretty cool, huh? It really is such a quick way to paint your fence. And it's actually pretty fun too. It's best to try and do it on a still day, so there's no wind blowing the spray back over you. It makes it really easy to get in between the gaps. And you can even do more intricate fencing. Far easier than using a brush. And if you want to, it's quick and simple to give it another coat. If you fancy growing something but haven't got any pots, try using an old juice container. Cut off one side, like this, to make a tray. Then pierce some drain holes in the bottom. I filled this with a bit of compost, and planted some lettuce seeds. Then I gave it a splash of water and placed it in my greenhouse tent. You can see I've used various juice containers and old plastic food trays to fill this tent with a whole host of different salad leaves and herbs. It's going to keep me in nice fresh homegrown salad this summer, and it's really cheap and easy to do. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.